Hello and welcome to Design Guy. I'll walk you through the easiest way to remove parts of an image in Canva. First, click Create. Then select Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels as the dimensions for this tutorial. Next, locate the element you want to use. Then, try to insert and graph a photo within your project workspace. To remove part of an image in Canva, select the image first. Then, choose the crop option from the toolbar. Adjust the cropping handles to cut out the unwanted sections. Click Done to apply the changes, refining your design by removing excess areas. Click Edit, then select the image and click Edit again. Next, go to Tools and choose the desired option to proceed with your changes. Follow these steps carefully to modify your image effectively within the software. Select the Magic Grab tool from the toolbar to capture the desired area on your screen quickly and easily. Next, select the object you want to sample, like this one, to proceed with the action. Click the button, then press the right arrow key to proceed. Drag the image to the desired location. Once positioned, select the image and press the delete key to remove it from your project. This clears space for new content quickly and easily. Here's how to cut out an image in Canva quickly and easily using the background remover tool. Click the download button to save the file. This action provides the group with one tip by downloading the specified content quickly and easily. Ensure you select the correct item before clicking download to avoid errors. Now you know how to cut out parts of images in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.